Beautiful people, it's me, Pamela, on my YouTube. Cho, no, what's the T? Siyahlaziya.
You know, kahle umukhane umgulukudu. Yeah, no, but I guess everyone that's actually connected to Brigadier Bongani Gininda, all of those people are mgulukudus. They are rogue, they are corrupt. And they learn from him. Because they used to hear from him, basically calling the shots. That's Lalilan, this is what you must do, this is what's going on. You know. And this guy now, Uchokalo, Ukolonel, is exposing Muhane's lies. Yo, I'm just like, guys. Umukhane never did anything there to say Utuntanzi, like record him, you know, to say Utuntanzi ula every area, Uzolalala, this is what's gonna happen, this is his cell, he did nothing there. Oh, hi guys, these people are just like so corrupt, like it's not even funny. And they must be stripped of their jobs and just be arrested, those people. And the Bonafana just for they rogue first, and then the whole thing they are defeating the ends of justice. Utokamos is not agreeing to the stuff that Mokhane told us when he came to court. It's not, Toga is actually exposing Mokhane, guys. Like in another level, you've never seen. It's just like first, there's no way Undanzo could have had a cell phone inside those cells, because at those cells, inside the cells, there are no plugs, so we charge up. Yes, these guys, they need to stop with the lies. I want to pick Gininda's entourage. All of them actually are liars of note. Bafana exactly. I was on it. They learned from him the lies. So, and the whole thing, Aiko entry show you there. Undanzi actually slept. It was booked, in fact, at Valer police station. Wow, that totally contradicts what Mokhane said. So, which means Mokhane basically lied under oath. Colonel Toka also exposed the cell inspections are done hourly. So umuntu angekaze atholakala iphethe cell phone khona lapho in some hour. Guys. Hi, uRamsipile guys is on fire, eh? And then he went on to say to Colonel Toka, can you just tell us and explain what's going on there at the cells? So Utoka was just explaining the whole thing. Detainees are actually classified differently. It depends, obviously. I mean, go to Boshelwe. We want to learn to lay. Mokhane guys. Mangabo. Colonel Toka didn't actually mention ukuthi Untanzi was in solitary confinement because angithi Untanzi yabona ukuthi ubulela umuntu engambulalanga. So obviously, I mean, he's not gonna be with like a whole group of people, you know. It's gonna be confined alone in some small space. Just imagining, you know. A whole station commander is like Untanzi did not have a phone. I need to stop, guys. So the lies is catching up with them. It's so bad. My Rasa is very, very unfair. Like they had to adjourn because he's decided. And Eshu Ungumal good 10 minutes. Why are we doing this? Ngapa upis, not on this band. It's a lot in that court, but they're not gonna get away with that. That's all I know.
December 2020, and the page that is page 26 thereof. It's for the month of October 2020, and the serial number that I want to refer you to is number 25, and I want you to go through that with ngithanda ukuthi ngikhombise-ke SAP 14-ke ama-date ka-25 July 2020 kuze kube i-31 zikaDisemba ngo-2020, ikhasi-ke kukhasi number 26-ke serial number ku-number 25. Now, in the back of your mind, you've said that when a suspect is charged at your police station, that will be reflected by entries in the SAPS 14 and SAPS, and the OB entry. Is that correct? That's correct, my lord. Yebo kunjalo-ke ngike ngasho ngathi-ke uma ngabe-ke yena-ke umsolwa-ke ethwesa amacala e-police station lethu-ke kuzovela lokho ku-SAP 14 emaphepheni wethu. Now, looking at that serial number entry 25, place on record column by column, read the column up, the name, the column up, and the entry below until the end. Slowly take the code through that. The name reflected on the, whose name is that? Okay, column 1 is monthly serial number. Yes. 125. Full name and size of the suspect is Bongani Ndanzi. And
age is 30. Gender is a male.
So sorry, Colonel, I didn't hear the date properly. Or the age is 30. Okay. Yes.
The date here that I see, they only wrote 20/10.
So no full date is entered there.
Yes.
Okay.
Then the charge there is possession of offense, is possession of unlicensed firearm and ammunition and murder. Then the case is again case 636 of 10/14 is 2014. Then there is a rights notice of rights. It's R50747284. Then the date is 20/10/22. The time is 13:59. Notice to the next of kin. It's 2388. The date under suspect charged. Is 20/10. They didn't write the time there. The time is the same. OP number is 2388 of 10/2020. Then date released is 2020/10/27. Time of the release is 21/15. I'm sorry, my lord, I'm not on the right date. The date for release for Mr. Ndlanzi is the 2020/11/26. Time is 09. 9:08 to Tlhabane Court.
Yebo ke lokhu bekakufunda manje ufakazi uyafunda ke naye ke lokhu okubhaliwe konke kule ncwadi lapho kusho khona ukuthi ke amagama avelayo lana ke asho ukuthi ke uyena ke uBongani Ntanzi uneminyaka ke u30 umuntu wesilisa usuku leli ke alethwa ngalo ke libhale 2010 noma ke bangazange babhale konke idate ephelele nokuthi ke uboshelwe yini tholakala ukuthi ke tholakala ke ngesibhamu nenhlanzi zakhona engenayo license futhi ke necala lokubulala esuka ke ephuke ngenamba yakhona ku63610 of 24 kuyakhomba futhi nokuthi ke amalungelo akhe ke date yakhona katshala mhla ke 2010 ngo2022 isikhathi ke ku1359 nokuthi futhi OB number beku2388 ka10 isuku ke akhishwa ngalo ukuya ke eHlabani ke beku2020-11-26 isikhathi ku9:08.
Now, Colonel, let's go step by step through that. Firstly, these questions. How accurate are these registers supposed to be completed by the members completing them?
They are supposed to be registered accurately. But my lord, I must indicate when it's transistor,
yes,
suspect is already charged. If you check the time and the date on the column,
yes,
12
yes,
is the same. It means that they charge him the same. That column must be completed immediately when the suspect is brought into the cells.
Ngokuya ke ngama-register kuyabuza ke uRamsipili ukuthi manje ke lama-register lawa ke funeka agcwaliswe kanjani ngokunembileko kuyasho ukuthi agcwaliswe kahle kodwa ke masikhuluma ke ngomuntu esithi ke ku-transistor ke lo muntu lo sekachajiwe vele uza kithi vele sebamthwesela amaqala akhe bangabheka ama-date futhi nama-date akhona ayafana ayakhombisa ukuthi ke uza vele kuwumuntu vele ke usetsheliwe ke ngamacala.
Colonel, let us get this one very clear so that when you answer my questions pertaining to the register in front of you, you are clear in your mind as to what you are dealing with. The in-transistor, that, and I took you through that yesterday, but I want to make certain that we are on the same page. The in-transistor that I spoke to you about, Mr. Ntanzi is taken in-transistor at the Pretoria North Police Station, which is the first police station ever of his reception when he's arrested. We understood on that. Are we on the same page on that?
I understood that very clearly.
Yebo ngiyakuzwa ke mmeli makhuma ukuthi ke masikhuma ke ngayi in-transistor uyabe kumele ukuthi ke uMr Ntanzi ke wathathwa ke suka ke Pretoria Police Station police station yokuqala le afika la kuyona.
Now what I'm putting to you, leave the in-transistor at Pretoria North. What I'm putting to you is the evidence of Mohale that he gave under oath in this court that on the 26th of October 2020, I, Sergeant Vosimuzi Mohale, I attend upon Villeria Police Station for the purposes of charging Bongani Sandiso Ntanzi on the 636 of 10/2014 case. So You understand me?
Yes, my lord.
Yes.
Yebo-ke uthi uMpendi-ke Fakazi-ke ngicela sibheke lokhu-ke ufakazi lobu obabekwa uMokgane la enkantolo-ke. uMokgane-ke uye wathi-ke mhla ka-26 October ngo-2020 yena uVusimuzi Mokgane-ke waya-ke eValeria ngenhloso ukuthi ayotshaja yena-ke uBongani Ntanzi ngecala leli lase-phosphorus.
Now, what I'm asking you is that if we take Mokgane's testimony as correct, that he charges Ntanzi on the 26th of October at Valeria, not at any other police station, not in relation to any transistor, in respect of phosphorus 636, is there a recording there in the 14 that shows that Mokgane came and charged Ntanzi on the 26th of October?
My lord, there is no any recording in the 14.
Masibheke-ke manje maseke okuningi-ke ukuthi kwenzakala masibheke ukuthi-ke ngalo fakazi obekwa uMokgane ukuthi uMokgane yena uthi ngomhla ka-26 October 2020 eValeria ilapho-ke eza khona-ke ezothethwa-ke Ntanzi amacala-ke. Ngicela ukubuza ukuthi manje fakazi-ke khona-ke mhlawumbe lapho phansi okubhaliwe ukukhombisa ukuthi vele ngempela ngomhla ka-26 October ngo-2020 kwenzeka lokho na uthi cha akukho-ke Nkosi enkantolo.
And also, before I even came to this point, I asked you, with what specificity and accuracy must these registers be completed by members completing them?
The specification that you're referring to, I have already explained that as the transistor is coming in, immediately when the suspect is brought into these registers, all the column will be completed until column 12.
With that understanding in mind and the background, Canon, that I've traveled to you, what will be your comment then, therefore, about the Section 205 records that the state, according to the state version, I've told this court about?
In terms of my vision, the tower.
The witness is now invited to make an opinion, my lord, but to speculate. Is the court, please?
Yes, they're complaining. They say you're making submissions regarding evidence which you never did.
I'm lost. I did not understand.
Yeah, just repeat that thing. Just repeat your objection.
I did not understand the objection. Thank you.
Yeah, let him repeat it.
My submission is that Mr. Ngomal is now inviting the witness to make an opinion or speculations.
Okay.
Is the court, please?
Thank you, my lord. It is not an opinion or a speculation. I'm inviting a witness if he has a comment. Because
That's what?
If he has a comment, to comment on the evidence that is before court, I'm inviting the witness to do that. There's evidence before this court, my lord. So I'm inviting the witness to comment on the evidence that is before court.
To be fair to this witness, did you tell this witness that Mrs. It's Mrs. Not filling in. It's okay about that. The lady they normally call Mrs. Mfundis. Mohola, that he also made a statement to the effect that he went there and found those. It's fair to tell him that.
It's Mokhane.
Yes. It's fair to tell him that Mrs. Mokhane says he went there and she herself, she found the blah, 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 blah. Are you with me?
I'm with you, my lord.
That's it.
I'm still coming to that. I'm
Well,
basically going there.
the point is, you haven't yet come to that. That's what I'm
Yes.
saying. This witness must be told the whole information,
Yes.
not drips and drabs.
No, but what about the objection, my lord? There's two constructing versions. Before
Hello?
there's two constructing versions, which are mutually
No.
constructive.
The one is made by me because he wasn't even aware of that. Were you aware of that, sir?
I am aware, my lord.
Yeah, but you never thought to verbalize it like I did.
Maybe I must go to where the court wants me to go before I can come to
No,
request
you will
this
not.
question.
You will never go where I want to go because I've got a very broad mind.
Mine is still fresh.
Yeah, maybe it could be fresh. I don't know what is it fresh with.
But let me, for convenience sake, my lord, let me go there because so that I can revert to this question. Colonel,
Sorry, just so that we all. Where is that phone?
we were discussing it, my lord.
No. I just want to know. This witness must know where that phone is, so that he can comment.
Colonel, just to be short and
Yes.
sweet to the point. Do you know where is that phone?
I have no idea of any phone.
Where is it? Do you know? Where is it?
I have no idea where is it. I'm not
I thought I had
custodian.
evidence where that phone was. Is that correct, Mr. Baloi?
That's correct, my lord. The phone was sent to Middleburg
That's
to
it.
Warrant Officer Ndlovu for downloading.
And it was downloaded, blah,
It was
blah, blah.
downloaded, the evidence was presented.
So that phone is living and kicking like me. Okay.
manje ufakazi inkosi enkantolo-ke ifuna ukwazi ukuthi manje-ke leyo foni leyo okhulunywa ngayo le ikuphi na ukuthi ufakazi yena akanalo ulwazi ukuthi ukuphi umbuso kodwa uyabeka ukuthi leyo foni le yathathwa lomuntu ngoba yesa-ke lapho-ke bayodawunloda khona.
My lord, I don't know how to progress now because issues are being raised whilst I'm still questioning the witness.
No, fine. You hate. I want to be fair to this witness because he may be laboring under the impression that that phone is nowhere. Is that not the impression you had?
That's
That's it. But the point is, they say the phone is there, and it was downloaded at Middleburg by two experts, Ndlovu and some guy called Kumalo, whatever. So that is the evidence I know. I listened to.
Maybe I'll leave that issue for argument because
Yeah, fine.
I will not understand, my lord, the relevancy of where the phone is in relation to the questions that I'm posing to this witness.
He knows the you don't know the relevance of knowing where the phone is. No, wait. Don't you know the relevancy of where the phone is?
I've just said it now, my lord.
Yeah, is it not relevant?
It's relevant, my lord.
Please, man, please. It's relevant. Yeah, okay, you can go on.
I see that
Yeah,
my
no,
client sent
you can go there, no
Can I
problem.
approach him then? Thank you, my lord.
What's your time, Mr.
It's
Kumalo?
20 past 3.
We are adjourning until tomorrow. What?
No, there's still 10 minutes remaining, so I can exhaust the 10 minutes.
No, the point is, are you going to be finishing today or tomorrow?
With this witness,
Whichever witness.
I doubt if we'll be able to finish this witness at this time. There's 10 minutes remaining before we knock off.
Yeah, so let's adjourn.
Okay, we can adjourn. Thank you.